Om Ganeshaya Namah. Lord Ganesha, also known as Ganpati, Vinayak, and Pillayar, is one of the most beloved and widely worshipped deities in Hinduism. He is known for removing of obstacles, deity of wisdom and learning and protector and benefactor. The most significant festival dedicated to Ganesha is Ganesh Chaturthi, celebrated with great enthusiasm across India. It marks Ganesha's birthday and involves elaborate preparations, processions, and the immersion of Ganesha idols in water bodies at the end of the festival. Ganesha is associated with various myths and legends, including his victory over the Asura Gajmuksuran, which showcases his role as a protector of dharma, righteousness. Om Vakra Tunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Sama Prabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarv Karyashu Sarvada. Meaning, Om, the one with a curved trunk and a massive body, whose radiance is equal to 1,000,000 suns, please remove all obstacles from all my endeavors. Here is a comprehensive list of significant temples dedicated to Lord Ganesha, including both major and smaller temples, along with their significance and locations. Om Shreem Hreem Kalim Glom Gam Ganpate Vara Varada Sarv Janame Vashmanay Swaha. I bow to Lord Ganesha, the one who bestows blessings and protects all beings, ensuring overall well-being. Major temples dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Siddhivinayak Temple. Location, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Significance. One of the most famous Ganesha temples in India, known for its historical importance and influence. Devotees believe that visiting this temple can fulfill wishes and remove obstacles. 2. Ganpatipule Temple. Location, Ganpatipule, Maharashtra. Significance, located on the Konkan coast, this temple houses an ancient and revered idol of Ganesha. It is an important pilgrimage site with a picturesque seaside setting. 3. Ashtavinayak Temples. Location, Pune district, Maharashtra, covering 8 temples in total. Significance, a group of 8 ancient temples dedicated to Ganesha, each with its own unique history and significance. They are revered for their spiritual importance and are part of a popular pilgrimage circuit. The 8 temples. 1. Moreshwar, Morgaon. Location, Morgaon, Pune district. Significance, considered the principal temple of the Ashtavinayak group. 2. Chinthamani, the. Location, the Pune district. Significance, known for its ability to remove worries and anxieties. 3. Girijatmaj, Lenyadri. Location, Lenyadri, Pune district. Significance, situated in a cave complex, it is associated with the legend of Ganesha's birth from the earth. 4. Vighneshwar, Ojar. Location, Ojar, Pune district. Significance, known for removing obstacles and is associated with the story of Ganesha overcoming various challenges. 5. Ballaleshwar, Pali. Location, Pali, Pune district. Significance, associated with the devotee Ballal, who worshipped Ganesha with great devotion. 6. Varad Vinayak, Mahad. Location, Mahad, Raigad district. Significance, known for its blessings in terms of prosperity and success. 7. Siddhivinayak, Siddhatek. Location, Pali, Pune district. Significance, revered for its miraculous powers and connection to the legend of the Siddhi. 8. Kadambi Ganpati, Kadambi. Location, Kadambi, Pune district. Significance, associated with the legend of Ganesha and Siddhi. Major temples dedicated to Lord Ganesha. 4. Ganesha Temple. Location, Kashi Vishwanath Temple, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Significance, located within the Kashi Vishwanath Temple complex, this temple is dedicated to Lord Ganesha and is significant for its association with the ancient city of Varanasi. 5. Chintaman Ganesh Temple. Location: Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Significance: known for its historical importance and the belief that Lord Ganesha removes all obstacles and troubles. 6. Kala Ram Temple. Location: Nashik, Maharashtra. Significance: although primarily dedicated to Lord Rama, it also houses an important shrine to Lord Ganesha. Dagdushet Halwai Ganpati Temple. Location: Pune, Maharashtra. Significance: a popular local temple with a rich history, known for its elaborate decorations and religious ceremonies. 2. Keshwaraj Ganpati Temple. Location: Keshwaraj, Karnataka. Significance: known for its unique architectural style and local significance. 3. Peshwa Ganpati Temple. Location: Pune, Maharashtra. Significance: a historical temple with connections to the Peshwa rulers and renowned for its artistic heritage. 4. Pali Ganpati Temple. Location: Pali, Raigad District, Maharashtra. Significance: known for its vibrant local festivals and cultural significance. 5. Ganesha Temple. Location: Dadar, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Significance: a prominent local temple known for its community events and celebrations during Ganesh Chaturthi. 6. Sri Ganesha Mandir. Location: Delhi. Significance: a local shrine dedicated to Lord Ganesha, known for its devotion and community activities. 7. Sri Siddhi Vinayak Temple. Location: Bangalore, Karnataka. Significance: known for its significance among local devotees and its role in community worship. 8. Ganesh Temple. Location: Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Significance: a local temple with vibrant celebrations, especially during Ganesh Chaturthi. Significance of Ganesha temples. Removal of obstacles. Ganesha is widely worshipped as the remover of obstacles and is often prayed to before starting new ventures or tasks. Wisdom and knowledge. As the deity of wisdom and learning, Ganesha temples are frequented by students and scholars seeking his blessings for knowledge and success. Prosperity and good fortune. Devotees believe that worshipping Ganesha brings prosperity and good fortune into their lives. These temples, ranging from grand and historically significant sites to smaller local shrines, reflect the widespread devotion to Lord Ganesha across India. Each temple has its unique importance and is revered by devotees for its specific attributes and blessings.